Hey mga Bebs, it's your kusinerang Kikay Tin. So I tried to recreate this Merced's Beehive Cake. Kaso parang iba yung shape na nagawa ko. Anyway, gumawa kasi ako. Ang layo ko kasi sa Merced Bakehouse. Tapos ganito yung itsura niya. May moist chocolate cake, chocolate shell, and marshmallow icing. So ito na nga. First in a bowl, combine brown sugar, egg, salt, coffee powder, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix, then add hot water. In another bowl, sift flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder. Then mix it with the wet ingredients until wala ng lumps visible. And para mas maging moist ang cake, maglalagay tayo ng white vinegar. Pwede din naman yung mayonnaise. Then transfer it sa 8x12 rectangular baking pan. Bake it at 155 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 50 minutes. In another clean and dry bowl, nagawa naman tayo ng marshmallow frosting or yung tinatawag na boiled icing by mixing the egg white and white sugar. This is Swiss meringue style mga Bebs. Continuously mixing it sa double boiler, and then kapag melted na yung white sugar, pwede na natin siyang i-whip with vanilla extract sa stand mixer or sa hand mixer until maging stiff peak siya. Then set aside. Kapag luto na yung cake natin, let it cool down first bago natin siya slice into squares. For this recipe, nakagawa ko ng 12 pieces na cake slices. Then nilagay ko lang yung ating marshmallow frosting sa piping bag na may round tip. And then ginaya ko lang yung shape ng marshmallow frosting ng Merced Beehive Cake. Dapat pala mas mataas ng layer of frosting yung ginawa ko. Nagmukha tuloy poop. Anyways, after that, nagmelt naman ako ng dark chocolate with butter and a little bit of oil para naman dun sa chocolate coating niya. Kinote ko lang yung marshmallow frosting by using spoon until well-coated na silang lahat ng chocolate. Then, i-chill muna natin sila before serving. And eto na yung ating Poop Este Beehive Cake! Medyo achieved naman mga Bebs. Grabe naman. Very moist and not too sweet yung ating chocolate moist cake. Grabe, tuwang-tuwa siya. Sakto lang sa sweetness ng marshmallow frosting. O siya mga Bebs, itry nyo na rin tong recipe na to and I'm sure you will love this. And see you on my next video. Bye!